Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. Whatever your time zone that you are listening to me, I greet you all. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Lowayinde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Today I'll be talking on never before. Never before. There is a quote ascribed to Antonio Machado. He says, "Traveler, there is no path. Paths are made by walking. Paths are made by walking." Never before. Guys, great ideas are always first welcome with these words. Never before. This is supposed to express the unamazement with which humanity celebrates creativity. However, we seem to be fast losing this high sense of wonder by presuming that never before means the same thing as can't be done. This is not true. This is not true. For as many that has been saying, no, there shouldn't be, there can't be a private coin without being in the public market. Why? Who says that? And why shouldn't there be? Guys, when Roger Bannister, the first man to run a mile under 4 minutes, shared this idea, many of the experts laughed at him. They thought he was insane. They told him, "Roger, this actually is crazy. The body system cannot survive that speed for that long. It has never been done before. What makes you think it can be done now?" But Roger ignored them. He disagreed. He disregarded the experts. And in the Olympic of 1954, he ran a mile in 3 minutes 59 seconds. Guess what happened in the following Olympics of 1985-58? 38 more athletes joined Roger to finish a mile under 4 minutes. In our contemporary setting, you and I know how we can be branded stupid when we share our novel thoughts. Our friends, colleagues, neighbors, and even family members can be very sincere in their moderation by cautioning our excesses. They mean well, but they could be very harmful to our ideas. So how do we cope? Hold yourself accountable for the actualization of the essence of your life. That vision that you are pursuing, that vision that you are being given, follow it until successful. Do not allow any naysayer, do not allow anybody to dissuade you from that course that you are. You are the one given to live your dreams. At the end of the day, you are the one to receive the glory of winning or the shame of losing. Wake up, friends, and take ownership of your life. Do not submit to the pressure to live an average life, to join the multitude. God has created you to be the original. Don't accept to die as a duplicate. When next you hear never before, or it's not possible, just smile and behave like Sir Roger Bannister. Go ahead and win. Many more will join your trail soon. Guys, when Bitcoin was first introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto, it was said that it will fail. It's not possible. It's not done. But few years down the line now, we have thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. And when our able admin came up with the idea of private coin, till present time, people were still saying it's not possible, it's this, it's that. But thank God for the admin. In spite of all difficulty challenges through the thick and the thin, he stood his ground, following the course of the vision he was given and following the mission to the letter. He was the pattern. He got the pattern and is following it to the letter, irrespective of different scandals, irrespective of different negative sayings. He still maintain his course, still focus. Guys, for as many who are embarking on one project or the other, and to activist members, I urge you, be focused. Don't listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to those who are saying never before. Those listening to those who are saying it's not possible, it won't work. Over 5 years, TVC is still standing strong, tall, and still growing in leaps and in bounds. And very soon we shall get there. So guys, this is my short admonition to us all. And to Ian, if you are watching this broadcast and you have not yet joined the community, I urge you, come on board. Below this video, you will see a link there. Click on that link to subscribe to join the community. You can also contact me for subsequent and guidance and direction in becoming a member. Don't forget, press that bell by your right hand side for subsequent notification. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. God bless you. Follow your dream. Follow your vision. Do not let anybody to dissuade you and tell you never before. It is possible. It can be achieved. God bless you.